Hi team, good evening. I hope you are waiting for assignment 2, right? So in this assignment, we are going to do practice on for loops, and we should do the same thing with while loop and do while loop. And of course, we are using arrays for some examples. Okay, here so far we have discussed about arrays, like how to declare an array, how to read elements from array. That is enough. Okay, this is simple basic equations. Okay, let's see. So if you want to solve these things, you should know if and else and for loop, and do the same with the while loop and do while. Of course, I didn't explain in the training, but very soon I will explain, but it's not a big deal. So for loop and while loop are almost similar. So and arrays. Okay, the first question is display numbers from 1 to 100 using for loop. This is very simple. You just display numbers from 1 to 100, and in the same thing, like display numbers from 37 to 12. So like reverse order, you need to display 37, 36, 35 till 12. I hope it's very simple, right? And the second one is this is really important one. So if I give any number, you should write a logic that whether the number is a prime number or not. So I hope you know the rules, right? What is a prime number? If you forgot, just go back and recollect your mathematical skills which you have learned in our school days. Okay. So next one is a palindrome number. Suppose if you give 121, so if you reverse that number, still you got the same number. That is a palindrome, right? So 121, 242, 373, like 123, 1. Just do reverse the number, and if you got the same number, then that is a palindrome number. So this is the most important equation. And another important thing is this is a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, first take two initial values, that 0, 1, and if you just add these two numbers, you will get this result, and then add these two numbers, you will get the next value. Then if you add these two numbers, you will get this value. So 0 plus 1, 1, and then 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, then 5 plus 3, 8. Of course, everyone knows about this. If you don't know, just observe it properly, and with the help of for loop, just display the Fibonacci series. Okay, suppose if I give a number, suppose I give a let n is equal to 10. So just display first 10 numbers in the Fibonacci series. If I give a 20, you should display first 20 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, that's the entry. That's the question. And the next one is, yeah, we can enter into the arrays. So just declare a simple array with some 5 to 10 numbers, and just check whether the number is an even number or odd number, and you should display all the even numbers. That is one program. And another one is, just check how many even numbers are there in that array. Okay, that is easy, right? Yes, good. And the next question is, okay, display all decimal numbers in an array. So just declare an array, just add some decimal numbers and some whole numbers, and write a logic to check whether the number is a decimal or not, and just display all the decimal numbers. Okay, very good. And the next one is, so just take an array with 10, 10 numbers, minimum 10 numbers, and just find out the largest number in that array. At the same time, you can write another logic to find out the smallest number in that array. Okay, I hope these are very simple, right? Please do practice. Learn. Another one is, suppose if I give a marks details in array. Okay, previously we have done with some 6 different variables, but now if you got marks details in array, you should able to find out the sum and percentage, and just display the grades. Okay, similar kind of question is there in this assignment one also. I hope this is very simple. Another one is, this is, yeah, I hope you love this one. So suppose just take some movies names in array. Suppose I have just listed triple R, KGF, Kantara, and Yuri, and you can list out your favorite movies like 10 or 15 or 20. And if I give us, suppose if user gives like one movie, we should check whether this is there in this movies array or not. Suppose if I take like triple X, you should say, okay, this triple X movie is not listed in this my top movies or something. If I give triple R, yes, that is there in that list. Okay, that's the simplest program. And the last program in this 10 questions is, okay, display all the prime numbers in a given array. Okay, previously I think okay, I think A3 or A4 is a prime number, right? Yeah, second one. Okay, if I give a simple number, you should find out whether the number is a prime number or not. So the question number 10 is what? Suppose if I give a array of numbers, you should check each and every number that whether it is a prime number or not. If it is a prime number, just display that prime number. Otherwise, just skip it. So these are really, really important coding challenges, interview questions, or if you do practice, you will get confidence in programming. So please don't copy paste from Google or ChatGPT. So just try on yourself and do practice. Of course, if you are not able to solve within half an hour or 1 hour something, so just take help from Google or ChatGPT. Just understand the logic and then try to practice that and remember the logic. Okay, don't by heart it. Understand the logic. Okay, thank you. I hope you are ready. So once completed, just send me a screenshots to like everyone. So the students who are attending the training or who are watching this randomly on YouTube. So if you really want to do a practice, just after completing the practice, just send out that screenshots to svje.narain at the rate gmail.com so that I will cross check. And in the comment section, okay, just once you understand, once you complete all these things, just put a comment in a comment section that done or completed. Okay. And if you have doubts, suppose if it is really tough to do this coding challenge, okay, just put me in the comments, just add some comments in that uh, which one is difficult for you. Definitely I'm going to explain that in detail. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next assignment one. Okay, I hope you are ready. Bye.